What's everyone, like every year, Apple has announced their new iPhone 14 and 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, and all these four models has come with new wallpapers like every iPhone models. And here you can see already on iPhone 14 Pro, stock wallpaper is set on my home screen and it looks really stunning. All the other wallpapers I'm showing you. Here you can see the iPhone 14 has actually five colors, and those five models has five different color wallpapers. Here you can see these are the iPhone 14 and 14 Pros, 14 Plus wallpapers. And these four wallpapers, which is iPhone 14 Pro, which came with the four new colors and these four new color wallpapers. This looks really stunning on your home screen. As you can see already, one wallpaper is set on my home screen and it looks really amazing. You already can see that. If you want to try these wallpapers on your older iPhone or any Android device, you can just check the link in the description. From there you just simply download and set it on your home screen or lock screen, and also hit the subscribe and bell icon because more stuff that has ported from iPhone 14 to Android device or any devices manufactured, you can get it and try on your device. So hit the like and subscribe. I'm with John and peace out.